What did Jiddu Krishnamurti mean when he said, "The ability to observe without evaluating is the highest form of intelligence"? Let's explore the profound depths of this thought, which encourages us to look beyond judgments and perceive the world as it is. Krishnamurti's words invite us to question the constant chatter of our minds. By being aware without imposing our biases, we discover freedom from preconceived notions. This awareness leads us to genuine understanding, unshackled from societal and personal constructs. In today's fast-paced world, Krishnamurti's wisdom on self-discovery and observation is more relevant than ever. Amid distractions, he guides us to seek clarity and truth through mindful observation, removing veils that obscure our genuine selves. This teaching can transform your life. By observing the world and ourselves without judgment, we embrace a profound shift in perception. Krishnamurti's legacy of introspection is a call to action for true enlightenment and clarity.